Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Discord. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have Discord and Spotify app installed. You can launch the Spotify app and make sure that you are logged into it. And after that, launch the Discord app. Once you're in the Discord app, at the bottom right corner you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. It will take you to the profile page. At the top right corner you can see the settings. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings page, you need to go to this connection option. Tap on it. Now select this Spotify icon from here. And there you go. I've already had my Spotify account logged in my browser and even in my app. So it directly connected my Spotify account to the Discord. So that's a very easy process to connect Spotify to Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.